Hello everyone, Kellen here, and on behalf of my team, Radu and Mike, I want to thank you for checking out ProfitPage, one of the best page builders you will ever see. Not only can ProfitPage help you build your own pages from scratch, but you can also access any of the 20 templates that we have created for you and access the exact sales pages that we have used for our own products. As crazy as that seems, let me just quickly show you how this works. So you go over to Pages, you click on Add New, click on Profit Page, and then we click on Backend Editor. And here we can choose our very first template. All you have to do is go to Template Library, Access Library, and here you have all the templates that we have. So let's just choose one. Let's choose Mirage. We just download it. And you can do this with any other template. We also have offline templates that you can use. Now that our Mirage template has been downloaded, all you have to do is go back, go to Download Templates, click on the plus, and there we have it. But you see, the best part about ProfitPage is that you will not use this. All you have to do is choose a name, choose our built-in template that provides 100% compatibility with ProfitPage, click on Publish, and then View Page. And here we are. Now this is the exact same sales page that Radu, Mike, and I have used to launch Mirage. Now you can use this to promote Mirage and get 100% commissions, or sell a product that's similar to Mirage or any of the other 15 products that we have. You can use anything from testimonials to GIFs to images, and even have a bonus section for your customers. But this wouldn't be great if you couldn't edit everything. So all you have to do is click Edit with ProfitPage, and this is our front end editor, right? You have two of them. If you want to use the back end, go ahead. But this is a drag and drop editor that allows you to edit anything from this header to literally anything on the page. If you want, you can do a full rebrand or just go crazy. But what's more, on top of these 25 templates that we are offering, you're also getting 30 elements that you can use in your designs or websites if you want to go from scratch or if you want to add anything to our templates. You have everything all the way from text blocks to Google Maps to video players, and you can even throw a pie chart in there if you want. ProfitPage gives you unlimited possibilities to create and maximize your profits by selling our products, our certified products, and can bring you a lot of profit. Not just that, but you get 100% commissions on any of the 15 products that we're having. And what's more, you're also getting a full funnel. That means you're getting the template for Mirage, Mirage Pro, Mirage Done For You, and Mirage Resellers. You're getting all this at the price of basically nothing, as this is the best page builder that you will see on the market right now. Get your copy today, and I hope I will see you inside.